One of the main goals with home renovation is to maximize your home's value. Now, this is especially true when you go to sell your house at a higher price point. So it's important that you prioritize the updates that could potentially offer you a decent and a solid return on your investment. And there's some proven updates and proven strategies that can ensure this. But if you're not careful, you could actually spend more of your hard-earned money on things that will never return the money that you've invested. And that's why I'm doing this video, so that you can avoid the common updates that some people make that are a total waste of time and money. So give me a thumbs up if you're good with that. Hey guys, I'm Jerry Pincus, your real estate expert to help you to avoid those pitfalls that are costly. Now, number one is swimming pools and the return on their investment. Now, I really like swimming pools, and you may like them too, but you need to keep in mind that swimming pools also come with a significant number of costs and potential future maintenance requirements. While they can add a property's appeal to some buyers, they may not universally appeal to what all buyers are looking for. So the initial investment of building a pool can be huge, including all the costs, the equipment, the landscaping, the higher utility bills, and potential repairs. And there's also a lot of labor costs and time associated with the construction. And it's not a guarantee that you're going to get a full return of your investment that you're going to make. Plus, some future homeowners, they may have concerns. And this is especially true due to the liability issues like drowning, head injuries, or scrapes and cuts. Just realize pools are not for everyone. Now, some people, they just don't want the hassle. Some buyers may view a pool as a burden rather than an asset. So a pool might be great to some buyers, but it could actually put others off. Number two, high-end kitchen appliances. Now, when you're selling a house in the US market, not all top-of-the-line upgrades give you a top-of-the-line return for your money invested. And kitchen appliances happen to be one of those. Most buyers are going to prioritize specific features over luxury. Now, you need to strike a balance between over-upgrading appliances and ensuring they align with the preferences of a majority of buyers in potential neighborhoods. As a home seller, if you want to sell your home fast, you should be attracting a broader range of potential buyers. And additionally, technology and appliance trends, they evolve rapidly. What's considered high-end and in fashion today might be outdated tomorrow. And this can be an issue if you're not selling your house immediately. So generally, it's wise to focus on functional improvements rather than solely luxury brands. Number three, a secondary kitchen. Now, another update that may not get your full return on your money is adding a second kitchen. Now, there's multiple factors to consider before you do this kind of renovation in the house. You want to consider the size of the home, your local market trends, and determine whether it's worth adding the second kitchen or not. And in most cases, these updates just don't return that investment. Number four, overly customized spaces. Not everyone has the same tastes. And as a seller, you should depersonalize a house as much as you can before that potential buyer walks through your house. Your house should resonate with a broad range of buyers. And that's why I always suggest that homeowners depersonalize their house before they put it up for sale. Now, anything that's too personalized, like bold wall colors or themed room choices, they need to be neutralized if possible. And it's essential to strike a balance between a personal expression and a safe design element so that you can maximize the price of your house. Number five, high-end flooring. New flooring can instantly transform a room, but it's easy to take that idea and get carried away. While quality flooring is definitely important and will add to the home's value, getting the most expensive materials is not always the best investment. For example, some marble or high-end tile flooring can be expensive upgrades that look really good, but in the end, it just doesn't give the best choice in most houses. Instead, you just want to opt for the flooring that's durable and fits the overall style of your home. Now, you just want to compare what's being installed in new construction homes. And if you're replacing carpet, consider luxury vinyl planks. For one, they're durable and they come in different designs, and you can choose the one that suits your house style. And two, they're much more affordable than things like marble or tile flooring. As I've discussed in this topic in a recent video on my channel here, I'll put that link in the comments below. Number six, dedicated home offices. Now, home offices have become increasingly popular with remote work that's now more common. But still, building a dedicated office may not be necessary because maybe the option to have an additional bedroom or an office may make more sense because it's going to fit a broader range of buyers because they could make the choice on what that space could actually be used for. Not all buyers will value a high-end home office. And if you install a custom-built wall with a desk and cabinets, the style might look great, but it might not justify the additional cost from a buyer's perspective. And number 7, luxury bathrooms. Now, bathrooms, they are one of those focal points to the house. We all know this. And investing in a well-maintained and clean bathroom can actually offer a decent ROI, return on your investment, because it doesn't mean that you need to go over the top to get maximum value. Potential buyers have varying tastes, and what is considered luxury to one person may not appeal to another buyer. So try focusing on upgrades that will improve the functionality. Focus on creating a bathroom that appeals to a broader audience. And if you want to sell your house fast, consider factors like natural light, layout, and quality fixtures that offer both style and durability. But remember, the goal is to enhance the home's overall value. You don't need to renovate it with every last penny that you have in your pocket. Number 8, let's go outside. Expensive landscaping. Now, your front yard is likely to be the first thing potential buyers are going to see, and that's where you want to make a solid impression on your house. But your backyard can be important as well. You have to have a nice yard, but you don't want to spend a ton of money on fancy plants and stuff that might not give your money back when you go to sell. Now remember, you want a yard to look good, but you also want to make money when you're selling your house. So think low maintenance. New homeowners, they're going to want to put their own touch on that house and make their own changes anyway. So focus on making your yard look nice, but easy to take care of. Simple grass, some pretty flowers, and a place to sit outside can make a huge difference. So the bottom line is your bottom line. Spending a lot of money doesn't always mean that you're going to make more money when you go to sell it. So it's better to focus on making your house look nice, yet still work well for most people. Now, keep things as simple and practical as you can possibly do, because this is a proven way that you're going to get more money and you're going to sell it faster. And it's more likely for this to happen when it's time to sell. It's a good idea to get help from your local real estate expert. Now, if you need help with that, no matter where you live in the nation, I can hook you up with your local real estate expert. But remember, what's happening in one area of the nation may not necessarily be happening in another. As I say all the time, is real estate is hyper-local, because even from one side of town to another, it can be drastically different. And that's why you need the personal advice for your home depending on the house and the current market conditions. And a proper guide has already done the research in the market in your area and also has a lot of experience working there. So go ahead and comment below and let me know if any of this was helpful to you in any way, and share it with somebody you know who could use it. I'm Jerry with Jerry Pincus Real Estate Experts. My real estate team is here to help you find your hidden gem and to avoid those pitfalls that are costly. If you're thinking of selling a house here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, or anywhere in the United States, pick up the phone, give us a call at 843-839-9870. My team's helped over 2,000 people successfully move in the last 20 years. And we know just about everything when it comes to selling your house fast and for more money. So until next time, stay happy, stay educated, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.